Hey everybody! So in today's video, I'm just going to go into my Power Pages Design Studio and I'm just going to change a few little things here. You know, just sort of regular stuff. That looks pretty cool. I'm just going to sync, see what's, do. Oh, what the heck? Somebody, somebody changed my thing. Hey, is anybody else working in this right now? Yeah, I'm working on the homepage right now. Could you stay out, please? So today's feature, I'm going to tell you about the new Copresence feature that is in Power Pages Design Studio. This will allow you to see if there's other friends, colleagues, other folks that are working on the exact same website in Design Studio at the same time. So this is pretty straightforward. I'm in my design studio here. We see that there's some changes made by somebody else. And I can actually see that we have Adele here, who's not a real person, and we have Nick D, who is a real person. And we see that they're both working in the home page. Now, if I go in, maybe I'm going to go work on a different page, and I'm logged in here as well, what are they going to see on their end? So I'm here with in my other profile, and I see that Adele's still on the home page here, but I also see that icon, the other Nick, is currently working on this particular web page. And so we see who's actually in the studio, what page they're working on. So you'll find this very helpful if you're in a situation where you do collaborate with others when working on your Power Pages site. Really not much more to it than that. However, we also have the ability to say, hey, you're screwing up stuff, let's actually send a message. So what we can do is I can send an email, or I could even send a Teams chat, and then that way we can collaborate, we can send information. I can say, hey, stay out of the home page, I'm working there now, or I could just send an email, giving some instructions and details of what I've done. So it's one of those little things that could have a big impact depending on what your situation is. So if you are working in Design Studio and you are collaborating with others, this gives you yet another tool to be able to collaborate a little bit easier working on your websites. Now, you don't need to turn this on or off. It will actually be turned on automatically. It is currently rolling across to all the different tenants. So you might, if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it will show up probably relatively soon and you can start playing around. This is technically a preview feature, but it will be available to you. So definitely try it out, and hope you enjoy this very short video, and I'm hoping your friends and your colleagues don't overwrite your work.